You asked, how to divide 1530 by 9 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 15. 15 divided by 9 equals 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. 15 minus 9 equals 6. Bring down 3, making 63. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 7 times 9 equals 63. 63 minus 63 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 9 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 170.